Today's walkthrough video is at 4905 West Wedgefield Road in Pecan Plantation. This fantastic home has a circle drive. I mean, it has it all. This house is 2,700 square feet, a little over 2,700 square feet. You walk into this gorgeous foyer, and to the right, we've got a formal dining room, tile floors. Over to the left, we've got 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3 with a large closet, full bath, which goes all the way through to bedroom number 2. And we come through the hallway into this beautiful living area. Here is the breakfast nook. Here's the living area with a wall of windows. Over here is the kitchen, which has been recently updated. These countertops have been updated, so has the backsplash. Then we're gonna go out into the sunroom. This sunroom has a mini split out here, so it's nice and cool. Look at that fantastic view. Let me take you over to the other side of the house because it does have a split bedroom format. So we're gonna go over to the master. And the master has this fantastic wall of windows as well. Here is the bathroom. It's got his and her sinks, tile floor. There's some carpet in that oversized closet. We've got an ADA walk-in tub. And then we're gonna go out this door to see this in-ground gunite pool. So the pool is chlorine. Look at that fantastic view. We've got a lanai, so you can use this year-round. This is hole number 11, and there is a beautiful pond over there. Then we're gonna go out this door and into this mother-in-law suite. This could be a great space for an adult child. It could be a game room. It could be an office. That's how they're using it. This is a fantastic home. Again, it's 2,700 square feet. It's 4905 West Wedgefield Road. It has everything. Circle drive, sunroom, pool, lanai, on the golf course, and a mother-in-law suite. If you would like a personal tour, or a private tour rather, reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you.